Bonds are issued by governments and corporations when they want to raise money from investors. When buying a bond, you are lending money to the issuer, and they agree to pay you back the face value of the loan at a specific date, called maturity. Also, they agree to pay you periodic interest payments along the way. The interest paid are defined by the coupon rate. For example, if the bond's maturity is in 2 years, you lend the issuer the face value of the bond, usually $1,000, at year 0. Next year you will receive the yearly coupon. At year 2, you will receive the yearly coupon plus the face value of the bond, the $1,000 you lent him in the first place. Unlike stocks where the return depends on the behavior of the company, bonds issued by companies give you no ownership rights, but the return you receive is fixed and is known beforehand. When the issuer of the bond does not fulfill his promise to pay back the money, it's called default. If you buy a bond, you can simply collect the interest payments while waiting for the bond to reach maturity. However, you can also buy and sell bonds on the secondary market. After bonds are initially issued, their worth will fluctuate like a stock's would. If you're holding the bond to maturity, the fluctuations won't matter. Your interest payments and face value won't change. But if you buy and sell bonds, you'll need to keep in mind that the price you'll pay or receive is no longer the face value of the bond. The price of the bond will fluctuate depending mainly on the interest rate. If interest rate goes up, it means you can get new bonds with a higher return, higher interest rate, so your current bond will reduce in value because now it gives relatively less interest compared to similar bonds. Watch next how to calculate the price of a bond.